This is the range of alkaline wood glues that builders have to offer. Cold glue, fast set, professional, and ultra. All of which have low VOC properties and are stronger than wood itself. Let's look at the differences and their qualities so you can choose the correct glue for your next project. First is the cold glue. Now this is the original tried and tested glue that has been in production for over 50 years. It is a water-based PVA, so it's easy to clean and has long open time, which is great for assemblies. It dries to a high strength but is not really recommended for outdoors as it has no waterproof properties. It is, however, the most cost-effective in the range. Next is the fast set. This is also a water-based PVA, but it has very fast setting properties with as little as 1 hour clamping time and dries with a clear glue line. The fast setting properties are great for quick fixes or assemblies where you are pushed for time. Then we have the professional. This one is resin-based, which gives it some great properties, like having high strength, heat and solvent resistance, which is great for wood turning, high creep resistance, and a strong initial tack, which makes assemblies so much easier. It is also fast setting and easy to sand. This is the recommended glue for stressed joints. And lastly, Ultra. This is a PVA and polyurethane blend, making it waterproof. Some other great properties are the long open time, heat, solvent and mildew resistance, easy sanding, and it's FDA approved for indirect food contact. So a very versatile glue that can be used indoors and outdoors. A great range of glues, all available in different sizes. Now here's a few tips for gluing up your projects. For the strongest bond, always clamp your project, and remember a thin glue line is stronger than a thick one. To increase open time, which is the time you have to manipulate your joint, apply glue to both surfaces. Prime your end joints before gluing them up. Water down a little glue and let it soak into the end joints. Then when it's dry, you can assemble without losing too much glue into the end grain. And lastly, don't wipe your squeeze out with a wet cloth. This prevents stains from soaking into the timber. Rather let it dry a little, and while it's still malleable, scrape it off with a sharp chisel. Now these are just some of the glues available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or check out the YouTube channel.